What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Cardinal Red, and we back for another unboxing. Today we have my new camera, the Fujifilm FinePix XP 125. Let's get to it. Let's see, we got some factory paperwork here. We have a user's water resistant guide. Also, this camera is water resistant up to 65 feet. We have a USB charging / data cable. What else? We have one rechargeable battery. This is a 45 MP. We have the wrist strap. Pretty cool, so you don't drop it. We have one recharging stand. We have the AC wall adapter. And of course, you have your Fujifilm FinePix XP 125 waterproof camera. And this is a pretty cool camera. I actually originally brought this camera to do my cooking videos with Ghetto Gourmet. Go check out that playlist. But unfortunately, it doesn't have a flash on the videography side of the camera, only on the photography side. So I can't get the shots I want out of this camera, but it's perfect for outdoor lighting and natural lighting settings. So if you have a lot of natural light, and if you're a diver or / swimmer, I will be able to do some underwater shots with my fishing videos now. But if the type of videos you do are naturally lit, this would be a perfect camera for you. I enjoy it, takes really cool pictures. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and check out a few of these pictures that I took with the camera. I didn't mess with the settings or anything. I just took a couple of quick shots. And from what I see, it's pretty good, man. I can't complain with this camera. For the price I got it at, I really can't complain. Check out this video real quick, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Laters.